Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is me again. How's your day? My day is a bit sad because of the latest update of this coronavirus. Now, in one state here in Australia, Victoria, we have 191 in just a day or within 24 hours. Oh my gosh, the number is getting higher. So how can we flatten this curve? Now we have a total of 39 suburb that place in lockdown, my friend, in order to just stop the spread of this coronavirus. And tonight, yeah, I'm really sad because even if I want to go to New South Wales or other state, I cannot do that after midnight because starting midnight, if I'm not mistaken, the border will be locked up. Okay, so you cannot go to New South Wales anymore or South Australia. But yeah, if you catch the flight before that, then you have to bear the high, you know, airfares going to New South Wales, Sydney. Maybe it costs you one way 800 plus Australian dollars. So it's just like going to Philippines, my friend. Okay, so before that, before I continue, because my plan is to not only just have some fresh air, but I'm also wants to have my at least 5 minutes walking exercise. But before that, I have to call with my friend and let's see what's going on up in Cranbourne. So let's see if he's available. Mm-hmm. Where is he? Okay, dialing. Hello, mate.
How are you, man?
I'm pretty good, but a bit sad also because today. By the way, can you please introduce your name, mate? Are you my best friend, Joel Jacinto Escasinas, the king of Cranbourne? Is it true?
Maybe it's not true, man.
So it means that one is a fake news, I reckon.
Fake news, man. Fake news.
Okay, mate. I'm talking to Joel, Engineer Joel of Vision Stream. Mate, I'm here, mate, in front of, in Docklands. I'm sad because it's not. This place used to be busy place, especially these peak hours. But now, mate, just me is walking here, mate. So
Really, man.
ako lang ang nag-iisa, mate. So, mao ni, mate, na ako ron sa Atbang sa Marble Stadium, mate.
Yeah, good mo, man.
Oh, so
Bakit sa
medyo,
outdoor unit? Outdoor unit?
ha?
Outdoor unit?
No, mate, I'm just relaxing, enjoying the views and have some fresh air, mate. I'm not working today, mate.
Why, man?
Yeah, because you have to give a break. It's not like you work 7 days a week,
Yeah, good mo, man.
especially this pandemic time, mate. So you have to boost your immune system because this is the only way to fight a coronavirus, mate.
What do you mean, mate? You need to share your love to someone?
And yeah, every day it's our duties and obligation to share the love, not to share the virus, mate. Yeah, we have to spread the love. and not the
Good on you, mate.
virus. We have to help and make people happy, mate, if we can.
Is this a live blog in YouTube, mate?
Yeah, don't laugh, mate, because people is asking, do you have really a friend to rely on? Because in Victoria, just within 24 hours, we already have 191, 191.
Oh, mate, that's nothing, mate. In the US, mate, in the last 24 hours, they already got 30,000, mate.
Yeah, but just in Victoria, we're not, getting this number before. This is, too high. And we already have a 39 suburb now placed in lockdowns because of this coronavirus. And maybe another 2 suburb will be added to the existing suburb.
Which suburb, mate? Which suburb?
The suburb, it's 39 somewhere from the north, like Broadmeadows, Ascot Vale, Brunswick West, and some other areas. So because this the spread now is very high, the number with link to the the commission housing or something like that. So tonight I plan to go to New South Wales, mate, but the problem is it cost me nearly 1,000 Australian dollars to to fly to Sydney if I have to catch before midnight, because midnight, you know what will happen tonight? They're gonna lock down the border, so there's no way that you can cross the border
Yep.
from midnight, mate. So the problem now, when you live in Wodonga, okay, that's the last stop going to New South Wales, very close to Albury.
Albury.
Yeah, and because of this lockdown after midnight, so they are worried, So people used to go to Albury for dinner most of the time because they are very close. But what will happen to them when this lockdown will take effect after midnight, Mike? So
You know, mate, in New South Wales, mate, or in Victoria, mate?
I'm still in Victoria. I'm walking and having, because if I can, I want to spend like 5 minutes walking, mate, or yeah, at least minimum of 5 minutes in order to, to keep me physically fit, mate. So
Oh, mate, good on you, mate.
yeah, mate. So now, are you still working from home, right? Since what month did you do your work from home?
March, mate, March.
From March until now. Oh my gosh. So yeah, it sounds that you enjoy working from home, right? Doing your stuff, because I know that you got so many stuff to do, or being deployment, the best deployment engineer. So mate, is there any future that you can see ahead of us, mate? We are telco workers, and I don't know if the government will consider that the telco industry is essential to upgrade the telco networks. So maintaining the networks, that's essential. But to upgrade, I don't know. So I can see that telco people, they are still busy doing their job. Do you think it will last until when?
Mate, it never lasts, mate. It
Big-
never lasts because people are demanding, very demanding in the data, mate.
Oh, they are really demanding. Yeah, there's no, I cannot argue with that. So people are so demanding. So then the Centrelink in Australia, they reported that they are already overwhelmed with this, job seeker who applied for job seeker benefits. But like us, that we are working, so it means we are not eligible to get this assistance. I don't know, mate. So if I probably send you email tonight, mate, can you spare like $1,000 or 2,000 for me? Because although I'm working, but I'm also helping with my colleagues and my other friends. Are you able to lend some of your dollars?
I thought, mate, I was the one asking for money, mate.
Oh, come on, mate.
I'm not. You know what, mate? To be honest with you, mate, I don't know if I have a job next week, mate. Because in research, mate, there's a lot of redundancy going on.
Yeah, I also feel that way. That probably in the next couple of weeks.
Maybe me and Anis wouldn't have a job next week.
Oh, really? How sad.
Ericsson, mate, don't worry about Ericsson, mate. They always get a job, mate, especially the technician and riggers, mate.
Yeah, mate. But there's no certain, mate. So you never know.
Mate,
Yeah?
I'm very certain, mate.
You're very certain?
Yeah, very certain, mate.
Or you just want to, that's like not to cause panic for the telco workers. Probably you're telling that. But I started to feel worried, mate.
Mate, if you're a riggers technician, mate, you don't need to feel worried because there's a lot of jobs going on. Like in business, mate, they might get rid of people upstairs, but
Yeah.
they're not getting rid of riggers and technician, mate.
Oh, really, mate?
Yes, mate.
Okay, mate. Yeah, mate. So when can we catch up for dinner, mate, or for a barbecue?
Mate, in the weekend, mate, if you want.
In the weekend. So how many people we can invite, mate?
Huh?
How many people we can invite for a
cannot
barbecue
invite-
party?
A lot of people, mate, because of lockdown, mate. What you talking about, mate?
Lockdown. Wow. So mao ni nahitabo, mate, karon. Kay naa man ta sa lockdown. So ang ato na lang mahimo karon nga atong sama sa imong gibuhat nga murag imong gihatagan mi og dugang pag-asa, mate, nga mawala ra ning nga virus karon nga atong nahimong public enemy number 1. So mao na may tabo, mate. So dili na lang di ko pwede, mate, nga di lang ko mo-expect nga imong ma-deposit na ko ang 2,000 at least unyang gabi
2,000.
rugma.
Tawagon tigaw niya, mate.
Nagkinahanglan ko, mate, kay ngano na ako sweldo, pero ang akong sweldo ako pong gisuporta, mate. So nihanlan po ko kay ni suporta man ko, nag-expect po ko nga ikaw akong amigo mo suporta po nako sama sa akong pagsuporta sa akong ubang kaygalaan.
Oh, mate. Sige,
Huh?
tawagon tigaw niya, mate.
Unya ka nang imong ipahuwam na ako, mate. Unsa man na, unsa man kondisyones ana, wala na interest?
Wala interest, mate. Ano naman interest mo, mate?
Wala na interest. So inaana de kabuutan ng mga tao, mga Pilipino diri sa Australia, no. Basta kasaligan nga amigo mopahuwam nga wala gyoy ginahuna nga interest. So dili
Wala, mate.
nagpatubo. Mo na nakanindot, mate. So mo na nakanindot basta na amigo. Ingon sila, mate, kay sometimes it's better to stay away from your friend because sometimes your friend will always give you trouble. But a friend like you, mate, I can say, I tell you, mate, you are giving us more, not only knowledge, mate. You're giving more confidence of being happy of this beautiful earth, mate, because people like you who are willing to help, you are so generous. Mate, if you're generous number 1 up to number 2, sex city, yung say tawagan na mate sa Bisaya, generosity. Kana mag generous ka, number 1, generous number 2, number 3, number 4. Unya, pito mo kabuk nga generous, unsay tawagan na mate? Generosity? Mate,
Kasi tawag yun.
mate, na ako'y kanang ipakita ng mate nga kani, kung mawa ng pandemic, mate, unya, magasabot ato ng tungaan, pwede ato ning mo experience ani mate, tanawa ragon mate, naidaghan kay mga yachts diri mat, mga yachty mate. So,
Yan yung movement, nagsuroy-suroy na mga met.
so mo na magsuroy-suroy to mate, tanawa nagmay mate. So, una-una kung human sa pandemic, pwede ba ta mag-ambag-ambag para isakay na to nga tong mga friends, og di na to ma-afford ang presyo sa pagpalit, pwede na to abangan, di ba mate? So, di ba ikaw may gidungog nga adunahan dia sa Cranbourne area? Cranbourne is the east man of Melbourne, right?
Di adunahan met eh. Kisa may nagstorya na mag-fake news met.
Some of my friends saying that, do you know that guy, Engineer Jacinto Escasinas? He's very wealthy now. I said, really? Yeah. That's why I mentioned $2,000 you have to transfer to my bank account tonight, mate.
Met, I wish I have 2,000 met. They'll say met.
In front of me, mate, I can see the Bulti Bridge. Okay. Hi guys, just listen because I'm having conversation with my best mate, name just Joel Escasinas, mate, the king of Cebu.
Met,
Oh, mate.
I need to go to a meeting met. Come on met. I'm related. My meeting is 3:10 met and you're still 3:15 met. Come on, met.
What, mate?
I need a meeting, 3:10 of meeting, 3:10.
Now, mate.
Ilapas ako 5 minutes.
Ha?
Ilapas ako 5 minutes.
Okay, mate. Sige, mate. Okay, mate.
Thank
See you,
met.
mate. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. Okay. So, guys, mao to si Joel, akong amigo, best friend. So, naapot siya sa Victoria. Working from home, office boy. So, mao na nahitabo. Okay? So, karon inyo naman siguro nakita kung unsa kanindot diri sa Docklands. Before kini nga area busy ni kayo, di ba? Pero karon inyong makita nga mingaw. Pero siguro after sa niining pandemya nga atong hiagoman, siguro mubalik ang kabisi nining lugar, my friend. Okay, so while talking to my best friend, I'm also having my physical exercise. So, inani lang ang life. Okay? So, tanaw-tanaw sa nindot ka nga view o mag-relax. So, maunay karon mga igsuon, mga higala, kailangan hindi tayo magpadala sa mga problema kung mayroon man. Lagi nating iisipin na ang buhay ay napakasaya. Life is so beautiful, especially if you are with a beautiful people. If you are surrounded with your friends, beautiful friends who really care for you, then you can say that you always feel great, mate. So, this is a beautiful Dockland, mate. I just want to share you so that if ever you happen to bang here in Melbourne one day after the pandemic, if you want to visit this area, then you have a little bit of knowledge what the place is looks like, my friend. So you better watch my video in order for you to know, because my 5 minutes is, I think, nearly over. So maybe I have to say bye for now. But let's say, if you really want to talk about what happened in the Philippines, my friend, as of today, I think the Congressional Blue Ribbon Committee franchise hearing of ABS-7 is nearly over. Maybe they are plan to end up this congressional hearing regarding the renewal of ABS-CBN franchise, maybe within this week. Within this week, you will know. But people also feel like the freedom of the press is going to die. But no, I don't feel like that. And there's people who also acted like the government is not looking after them. It's like the government is not doing well to protect the spread of coronavirus. But I think the president and the government, in my own point of view, that they're trying to do everything they can't. They're trying to do everything they can and try to find a solution for all the problems that we face. So kailangang maging mahinahon tayo at iwasan nating makikisawsaw sa mga anumang mainit na issue upang ang ating pinakamamahal na bansa ay hindi magkakagulo. The good thing, mga kapatid, dahil naipasa na yung anti-terrorism law, napirmahan na ng ating presidente. So ibig sabihin, kung sino man na gusto makisawsaw at maghasik ng kaguluhan o nagplaplano man lang, ay magdadalawang isip sila at hindi nila ituloy po sana. Dahil dito po sa bagong batas na ito na anti-terrorism law, okay, kung ang Anti-Terrorism Council po ay may pagdududa, okay, na ikaw o yung grupo mo ay nagplano o kahit nag-isip lang ng paghasik ng kaguluhan, ay sila po ay pwedeng pumunta sa Supreme Court at humingi ng pahintulot upang kayo po ay masubaybayan. Kayo po ay pwedeng i-wiretap at malalaman ang lahat na inyong gagawin o planong gagawin. Kaya yun po ang nagiging isang makapagpigil sa sino mang magbabalak na makikisawsaw at maghasik ng lagim sa bansang Pilipinas. Dahil po pag ikay napapatunayan na maski tumutulong lamang, okay, sa mga gawaing na makapinsala, okay, sa sambayanan or sa mga tao mismo, ay kayo po'y pwedeng damputin at mapatawa ng kaukulang parusa. Kaya sa batas na iyan ay lahat ng mga masasamang layunin, masasamang mithiin, mga kapatid, ay mapipigilan. Okay? Dahil patuloy pa rin ang lockdown sa iba't ibang lugar sa bansang Pilipinas. May GCQ, may ECQ pa rin, at mayroon pang mga locally stranded na hindi pa nakakauwi. Pag yan ay naubos na yung pera ng ating bansa at hindi na kayo masuportahan, anong mangyayari? Ang sabi nga nila, if you cannot feed us, free us. So pakawalan mo kami kung wala kayong maibigay na suporta habang kami nakakulong. Yan po ang mga sinisigaw ng ating mga kababayan. Kaya antayin na lang natin at hindi tayo makisawsaw sa gulo, dahil kung sasakyan natin ang mga pangyayari ngayon, itong pandemyang ito, at pairalin natin ang galit sa ating kapwa, mas lalo po tayong lulubog. Naghihingalo na nga ang ating economy, kasi pagpatuloy itong pandemya na ito, at siyempre para matustusan ang ating mga kababayan, siyempre pag naubos na yung pera, uutang yan. Lulubog tayo sa utang balang araw, mga kapatid. Kaya ipagdarasal na rin, sama-sama tayo. Kita nyo naman yan, di ba? Pagdarasal natin, we are one with this pandemic. Iwasang magkawatak-watak at pairalin ang kapayapaan dito sa Victoria 191. Ngayon lang ha, today. So hindi po biro yan, mga kapatid. Ilang beses ko na sinasabi, konting ingat lang po. Pero may mga matitigas na ulo pa rin, hindi nakikinig. Sila po ay pinayagan ng aming Prime Minister, at pinapayagan silang, siyempre naman may rights naman sila, pinapayagang gumawa ng rally at ilabas ang kanilang saloobin. Kaya doon po, isa po sa nagiging sanhi sa pag dami ulit ng mga COVID-19 positive cases. Okay, mga kapatid, padayon tas paglakaw. Okay, dayon ta sa paglakaw, atong suroyon kining dapita. Suroyon na to, tanawa, daghan kayo, dili na mga mushroom o sana ka kuan haligi sa poste nga din ilanggi dayan-dayanan og puti og nindot kayong pagka design, di ba? Halok tanawa, diba? Nindot kayo mo ni ang gitawag og Docklands. Okay, mga kapatid. Padayon ta sa paglakaw. Atong ipadayon ang atong pag-exercise. We will continue and we will try to relieve, because yeah, like you, I'm human. Sometimes I also feel like I also wonder, why the world is so cruel sometimes, why we have to undergo, why we have to suffer. Yeah, is this really part of our life? I'm just asking. So look here, this kiosk here where you can buy your hot drinks. Yes, mga kapatid, og naay baka nga na sangit giga sa langit, na sangit sa sanga. Tanawang baka. Okay, og naay nagpa picture sa uban sayang anak. Okay. O na mga igsuon. Tanawa. Na ako karon diri atong handuraon ang katahom nga diin mao kini the beauty of nature. Wow, this is the beauty of Melbourne, Docklands, where you can see a Channel 7 up there, right in front of me, and there's a marble stadium. I got a phone call, my friend. Look at that. Ang baka nasangit sa sanga. Hala, ang baka nasangit sa sanga. I have to answer my phone calls. What's this, my friend? Just enjoy the view. I got a phone call from my boss.
Hello, boy.
Hello, boss.
Gusto ko general.
Kuan bay kanang
General Epal.
yeah, kailangan na banggitin ko kung kasi dito nagba-vlog ako dito sa harap ng Ericsson office, at my viewers need to know that my boss is calling me. My boss wants me to go back to work.
Sino yan, boy?
This is my, all of my friends, they are suffering for this pandemic, and they want me to have a vlog, post into YouTube so that they will see. This is my part-time, mate. Okay, guys, I have to talk to my boss, Tid Arboleda.
What's up, boss?
Boss. My lovely boss. Okay. Okay.
What's up, boss?
So, ano sa balita?
Bukas pala, Springvale.
Springvale Junction?
Oo, Springvale.
Ah.
Sabi ni Marvin, lang daw, kakabit lang yung IDCDP.
Nasaan yung ICDCDP?
Nandun na sa site.
Pati yung power cable?
Naka-install na yata. Ikakabit nila.
Maigi.
Ita-transfer nila pag may outage bukas.
Ita-transfer?
Oo. Ikakabit, i-connect, tapos ilalagay doon yung mga nasa lumang IDCDP, ita-transfer yung mga load.
Okay. So tawagan ko na si Marvin doon pag ano.
May outage, tapos si Ryan, wala naman akong pa-schedule. Pinapunta ko na rin doon.
Okay.
Pag nabusan kayo, tulungan nyo nila sa mentor,
Sino?
si Marvin.
Okay.
Medyo madugo kasi prep. Kaya may papalitan siya mga DC cable, tapos marami transfer niya ng loads sa following day.
Okay. So bali may access, okay. Walang cyber key kailangan.
Walang cyber key.
Optus lang.
Oo, Optus lang.
Okay. Nakosa mo rin si Joel?
Jam, sure.
Junction ba yun?
Optus lang, bay.
Ha?
Optus lang, bay.
Optus lang. Ah, okay. So, bali, ang pupunta ron, si Ryan.
Si Ryan Away.
Ah, okay. Ah, sige. So,
Sige, bay.
wala lang akong dinalhin gamit. Yun lang, nandoon na lahat.
Wala. Pero sabi niya, baka kailangan daw ng link. Pero kung mapag-link na ginamit mo dun sa Almona.
Hindi nga ako nakagamit doon sa link kasi, di ba, ano lang yun, nadampot ko lang yun. Tapos, nilagay ko doon, modified. Tapos, ang nangyayari, pinadala ni Scott Wiseman yung kanyang propose na standard na link, pero hindi naman pala available yan.
Hindi nga available eh. Naghahanap ako, wala eh.
Oo nga, yung baka niya pinakita doon na itong gagamitin.
Tawag ako, nakalimutan ko.
Sige. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye. Okay. Basta wala ako doon, ha?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Oo,
Okay, bye. So, guys. Okay, so habang nag-exercise, minsan may tawag yung boss mo, okay lang. Ganyan. Yeah. Work and enjoy. But 5 minutes is, I think it's already over. Okay? So, we'll walk for another couple of minutes before heading back to the car park and go home. Enough for today. All right. So this is the Melbourne Docklands, mga igsoon. Kanya actually nata sa in front sa Marble Stadium. Etihad Stadium is the same. Parang Etihad sa likod, Marble. Okay. So life is still going, my friend. Look at that. Isang ano yan, kita niya yan, nakakabit na din na yan, cell site din yan, kita mo yan. Ay dito ako nakasagap ng signal ko yan. Yeah, small cell. Okay, tayo po ibabalik na sa ating pinagparkingan ng sasakyan at uuwi na at mag-ready for tomorrow. Okay, guys. What can I say is relax. Okay, stay strong and always think positive. Alright, cheers. Okay, so nakita niyo yung view. Alright, so yun lang mapapakita ko today. Okay, hindi naman halatang malungkot, di ba? Okay, ganyan lang life. Cheers. May you have a great day, my mates. Okay? Cheers.